utilizing light shelves to reflect light deeper into educational facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at how light shelves on interior glazed elevations can be used to reflect light deeper into schools and educational facilities. By bouncing natural light up to the ceiling, the volume of interior light brightened by daylight is maximized. This is such a great picture. I love this curtain wall elevation. It's a well-executed curtain wall design. This is a reading area adjacent to an east-facing curtain wall. The selection of the curtain wall and glass performance was focused on interior thermal comfort, enabling people to comfortably gather here without concerns about solar heat gain, heating them up, or radiant cool, making it uncomfortable being near the exterior wall. What I want you to look at is the pattern of the daylight coming in and hitting the floor. Being that this is the morning, the sun is coming in at a steeper angle, so it's carried back deeper to the interior of the building. As the angle of the sun changes through the day, the sunlight will move closer and closer, dropping closer to the exterior wall and not reach as deep to the interior. We really want sunlight to be carried back deeper and light more of the interior. To assist in carrying sunlight deeper into a building, we often see the application of what's called a light shelf used on the interior glazed elevations. The goal of the light shelf is to bounce light deeper into the interior of the building. Here's an illustration of our sunshade on an exterior wall, so it's blocking most of the direct light. There's still direct light that's entering above the sunshade, falling on the floor near the exterior wall. We'd like to get this daylight deeper into the building. So by introducing a light shelf to the interior, we're going to bounce the light back up to the ceiling, then back down, carrying it deeper to the interior. Here's a nice example of a light shelf in use, and you can see how sunlight hitting is bouncing off the shelves and hitting the ceiling. From there, it's bounced back deeper to the interior, and it's carrying the light deeper, brightening up more of the interior space, and light is not just dropping along the perimeter wall. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.